Hi, once again, I'm back, Kausi Chatterjee. In this video, we are going to discuss related to home loan, and this is again a very important discussion. Most of the people even they will be thinking like, if I'm going to take even a home loan, yes, definitely you are going to get your own dream house. That is most important thing. But apart from this, what are the other benefits even I'm going to get? It will be always there, even ticking in their mind itself, like what exactly the other something more, what exactly I can get. So let me tell you, and people who are actually taxpayers, they'll be very much happy by knowing this. You are going to save almost a 4 to even 5 or 6 lakhs even tax, even though having your own even dream house. So one way you are getting your own dream house, definitely you are going to get even your tax benefit also even by this, apart from other benefits. So I'm just in short, if I tell you, so definitely you are going to get even your majorly, if I tell you, so you are going to get almost even as odd, if I tell you, around 6 benefit you are going to get from your home loan. Or maybe you're going to even purchase any kind of property, and if you're applying, let's say, any kind of loan even to the bank, so definitely apart from this dream house, apart from your property that you're already getting, so apart from that you're going to get additionally even 6 benefits. So what are the benefits? Let me tell you. And then you are going to get again the taxpayers going to get even a additional benefit on their tax. As I told you, 4 to 6 lakhs even they can save in upfront. So one by one, let me tell you what are the benefits you are going to get even from your home loan, apart from your own house, own even property itself. The first and foremost thing, yes, you are going to get even a tax benefit. So that you are going to discuss in details some other videos. Second, you are going to get even a PMAY benefit. People from India, they might be knowing there is a Pradhan Mantri Awas Yojana. It's a subsidization from the Pradhan Mantri office, and they are also going to get this if they are eligible. So that also we are going to discuss in some other video in details. Definitely, home loan is the one even category I can say, if you compare to any other loans, even though you have a personal loan, even though you have a consumer loan, even though you have any kind of, let's say, your uh, business loan or any set of loan, if you compare even with home loan, the rate of interest is definitely it is lower than any other loans. So that is also your third unique benefit. The fourth even unique benefit, if I look out, a person who is going to even purchase, who is going to even apply for a home loan, and that is all about the no even prepayment penalty. Very important. Now what is this all about, prepayment pre uh, payment even penalty? If you are going to have, let's say, any kind of home loan, so what happens, let's say if it is my building is let's say I want to even let's say want to finish my loan even earlier, or let's say I have got even some bulk amount when all of a sudden, maybe from the lottery or maybe from the ancestral part, even if I've received, so all this money either I want to even give it to bank and close my entire loan. Even typically, if you call it, it's all about foreclosure. Or let's say you got even some money where exactly you want to pay it as a top up to your bank, and just you reduce your installment, or let's say reduce your capital. It's typically, if you look out, it's kind of a like partial payment I've got kind of things. So both way, if I look out, whether it's a partial payment, whether it's a foreclosure, especially in home loan, you no need to pay any kind of pre-penalty on this. Otherwise, if you go to any other loan, so there you might end up paying, let's say, 0.25 to around 3% based on the your loan, based on, even depends on your financial institute. So you might need to pay, or you might even end up paying by this penalty amount. The another unique benefit, the fifth unique benefit, if I look out, you will get a highest tenure. You will not get even such a tenure like more than even 20 years, when almost even 30 years, more than 30 years also, when there are some even financial institute they are offering in India. You will not get this much tenure for any other loan. If you talk about any other loan, as I discussed, personal, business, or maybe commercial, any kind of loan, you are not even going to get this much even tenure. So when I'm talking, when tenure is more high and you have a longer tenure, so that means Somebody is having a lower income, somebody is, let's say, a lower age, they are going to get again a huge benefit, a huge mileage. Again, somebody, let's say, want to save in some money, so they are also going to take even this kind of benefit also. So ideally, if I look out, yes, 10-year more when you have the flexibility to pay even for a longer time. So definitely you have even all these options, and that you can get it only in the home loan. The unique last sixth benefit, if I discuss, and that is all about your, if you are going to, let's say, get any kind of resale property, even though that resale property again you want to sell it even in future, so you can absolutely, you can be even tension free. Why? Because any bank, if you're going to apply, let's say if you're going to purchase in any kind of resale property, so the bank, the financial institute is going to check it out, that property documents, as we have already discussed the legal technical part in my even home loan series. You can go back, you can watch in details. So that entire even documentation, entire this legalization, entire this legal part, bank or financial institute, when you are going to take even a resale property, they are going to check even up to 13 chain. It's a very very important part even for your home loan. If you personally, if you're going to purchase, somebody might think it's not a big deal, I have my money, I'll just pay it off, I'll just get my house, even I don't need to go for any kind of loan, I don't need to borrow any kind of loan. It's up to you. But yes, again, normally what happens, if I'm going to pay from my own pocket, so I'm not going to check it out all these things. Maybe the basic things I might check out, even that also with third party. But when you are applying for a loan, and banker with their own interest, because they are going to be the owner for your property even for another 10 year, 10, 15, 20, whatever 10 year you have taken, and you are not even going to pay the bank even by this time. So it is their interest. With their interest, when they are going to check it out, this 13 chain, and if it is done just as a owner, you just imagine in future if you are going to sell it off, so you don't need to worry, it is all hassle free. You absolutely, you are mentally you are free that my property is a genuine property, there is no even legal battle, or there is no even legal hassle also. So it's very very important, right? So this six unique benefit, once again, you can rewind it, you can check it out. If somebody is going to purchase, somebody is going to have a loan even from the bank, any kind of institute, they might think, yes, one way you're going to pay your money, you're going to lose some kind of savings. But yes, the other way you can also understand, you're going to even save, even other way even some money, or also it will be secure for you with this six unique benefit, right? Thanks. Thanks for watching.